Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. I'm here in Dumaguete Airport. I'll be flying to Manila with Air Asia Airbus A320. Our flight this morning is 9:30 a.m. I'll be taking videos throughout the flight as I'll be featuring their in-flight meals and other services. So keep watching. Good morning! Sino po pilot natin ngayon?
Captain Blue pa rin mo sa'yo.
FO?
Sign here sir.
Thank you. Saan si Miss Dane? Libo na wala?
Ay, wala. Kalilipad lang po niya ata kagabi.
Okay, thank you. She's my friend.
Ay, okay po.
I'm now on board Air Asia Airbus A320 aircraft. So while waiting for the other passengers to get on board, let's take time to read the safety instructions. This is the safety information of Air Asia Airbus A320 Series 200. The reason why we need to read this so that we will be able to know on what to do in case of emergencies. Air Asia Airbus A320 Series 200 has a good legroom. It's much better than the legroom of Scoot Airbus A320. We are expected to depart here in Dumaguete by 9:30 a.m. and we're expected to arrive in Manila by 10:50 a.m. So we're still waiting for the others to get on board, and I'll also let you show their in-flight menu. So this is the in-flight menu of Air Asia. So we have a taste of Siam. So it's a Thai dish, Thai basil chicken with rice. So you can pre-book meals through Air Asia Super App before we fly. So there are wide variety of hot meals and all of them are very affordable.
Into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is found under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit, before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tab to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you're at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has a normal tube for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water, and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation signs are located on all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on this aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you, and during evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, please keep low and follow the back lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to the emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. And should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside the aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm, and tampering the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention.
These are my pre-ordered in-flight meals. We have Uncle Chin's chicken rice and Pak Nasser nasi lemak. This is a Malaysian dish. Both of them are Asian dishes.
passengers, we have just landed at Dumaguete International Airport. Please be informed that your arrival will be at Terminal 4. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain June Fajarillo, First Officer Cyril Bendicio, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vests, please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you. Sa mga mahal naming panahon,
We just landed here in Ninoy Aquino International Airport here in Manila. It's 11 a.m. in the morning. So that's all for my vlog, guys. I have a great service with AirAsia. And please subscribe Rob the Solo Traveler in YouTube. Thank you very much. Bye bye.